Hello everyone, my name is Wakas and today I'm going to give you a tutorial about how to install Asterisk 11 on the CentOS machine. So at first you want to make sure your OS is up to date. So for that you are going to use this command yum update -y and hit enter. Depending upon the system, this command can take a while. Alright, when you update the system, you typically don't need to reboot. However, if the kernel is updated, you need to reboot for the changes to take effect. Now, the second thing we are going to do is to disable the Linux. Now, for that, we are using the vim command, vim editor. Then we are going into the etc directory. In the etc we are selecting the Linux, and in Linux we are choosing the config file and hit enter. Now here you are saying that the Linux is equal to disable. Now I have already disabled it, so I do not need to reboot. So here if you haven't done this step, then the Linux will be is equal to enforcing. So you just need to change the enforcing to disable. Then press shift colon and use WQ to save the file and exit the file as well. Now I'm going to install the basic dependencies which is required for the asterisk. If you require further information regarding dependencies, then you have to go to wiki.asterisk.org. At there you can find all the dependencies of different versions of asterisk. So here I am going to write right now. I'm copying all the dependencies which we are required for the asterisk. Well, I've already installed all the dependencies, That is why it will not going to do that again. So we have the latest version of all the dependencies installed in it. Alright, now we are going to download the tarball that contain the source code from download.asterisk.org using the wget command. So I already have the link for the asterisk 11, so I just copied it using the wget command and pasting the URL link. And before that, we are going to change the directory. That is, for changing the directory, we are using the cd command and /etc /user/source. Now this is the main directory on which we download the source code for the Linux. Alright, so here we are using the wget and then pasting the asterisk URL. Hit enter. Now the asterisk is downloaded. Now to check if it is downloaded or not, we are using the command ls. As you can see, we have a command tar.gz. Alright, and then we are going to in order to extract the file from the tarball by using the tar command. Now we are using the tar command to extract the file. So for that we are using, first let me clear the page. Let's remove the asterisk file that I have already extracted. Now I'm making a new extraction. So for that I'm using the tar command, then I'm using the argument zx vget, and then I'm writing the asterisk tar.gz. Hit enter. Now it's extracting all the files which are in this source code. Now I'm changing my directory to the asterisk. Now I'm inside the asterisk.11, and after that I have to check my OS bit. So for that I'm using command uname -a. So it's a 64-bit. As you can see here, it's showing x86 64. So it's a 64-bit operating system. So for that I'm using this command /configure space dash lib directory is equal to /user/ lib 64. This will make sure your library modules are in the right place. Then press F and press enter. Alright, right now you are seeing the asterisk sign. This means that you have configured it successfully. Now once the configure script has run, you can optionally run this command, which is make menu select. Now this will allow you to select which modules you like to build. So here you can build whatever module you want to, but right now I'm not making any modules, so I just save and exit. Alright. Right now, I'm ready to build the program by running the make command. It will take a little time. Alright, it is done. Now it's saying that asterisk has successfully been built and can be installed by running make install. So I'm writing the make install. Alright, it is already done. Now you must read the security document. Asterisk has successfully been installed. If you would like to install the sample configuration file or writing an existing config file, run make sample. Now at here, make sure that in the config subdirect, now you have to make sure if you already have the configuration file of asterisk in etc/asterisk, then do not run this command. If it's a new system, then you can use this command. It will only replace the sample file of zip and extension.com and other as well. So I'm using the make sample. Alright, and then I'm using the make config. Now I use this command make config whenever our system reboot and it's a restart. Then we do not make to start our service again and again. It will automatically start the services. Alright, so right now I'm going to start the asterisk. Alright, so let me check. Well, I forgot to start the asterisk. So right now I'm starting the service of asterisk. For that you need to use this command service asterisk start. So right now asterisk is start, and I'm using the, let me clear the page. Now I'm using the asterisk minus R to get into the CLI mode. Here you can see that asterisk is successfully installed and running. Alright, so this is all for the installation for the tutorial of installation asterisk 11 in the CentOS machine. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.